Where are we going now, Karen?
We are traveling to Indiana Interstate, where we are going to get some repairs done on the DRV by Paul and Kay Cross. We've been there before for repairs. We trust them. They do a great job. And so we're driving from Georgia all the way to Indiana to get these repairs done. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Dixie is our 2015 DRV, which is our home, and it travels extensively. And,
Fifth wheel.
What'd I say?
Just RV.
Oh, okay. And we had to travel from Georgia up to Indiana. That was our choice to get it fixed at Indiana Interstate. It's currently in the shop.
In the hospital.
In the hospital. And found out we needed life support because after we started going through our somewhat lengthy list to begin with, we found some other major problems.
Last time I heard, he was yelling code blue. I don't know.
So we have a blog with pictures and links to videos associated with the problems and description of what's going on. And once we get our Dixie back, we will then
Our little girl.
Then we will be putting a video together, so that'll be posted sometime in the future of all the repairs that are being done. But you can read about what's wrong with it now and see pictures by going to our blog at www.wattsonwheels.info, and it's linked below to check it out. Hey, while you're on the website, go to the homepage and subscribe, so anytime I put a new blog out there, you will be notified.
That's right. Oh, we're staying at Bear Cave Campground, 1,000 Trails in Michigan, near, what's that?
Buchanan.
Buchanan, Michigan. And we're about an hour away from the RV right now.
Yeah. So we're staying in a cabin. Did you mention a cabin?
No, I didn't mention cabin. I said campground.
Yeah, we're staying in a cabin.
That's why there's a wall behind us with a picture.
Because our home is in the hospital for 2 weeks getting repairs. And that's only if they can get all the parts and get it done in time. So,
they can schedule surgery.
yeah. We have multiple surgeries.
And then COVID hit, so you know.
Well, yeah. All right, so go check out the blog. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.